Popular social media TikTok star Rosalie is calling out for justice after police officers carried out a search at her home and recorded her in the nude, which the video have now been leaked on social media. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A viral video circulated on social media with popular TikTok star Rosalie has gone viral. The video shows the TikTok star sitting in her birthday suit at the edge of a bed has now triggered the public's attention. The video, which was allegedly taken by a member of the Jamaican Constabulary Force, has since gone viral online. In the video, the police can be seen interrogating Rosalie's partner, Andrew Beckford, otherwise called Jakes.
Yes, man. Kaya latarin pa.
Where's the name, teacher?
GX name. Andrew Beckford.
Andrew Beckford.
Yeah, Andrew Beckford.
OCGX?
Yeah.
It's uncertain why the police went to their house and captured their private moment between the couple. However, social media users have blasted the police actions. Information reaching Links 007 TV News suggests that the police were on an operation in the area in search of a wanted man when they came to the premises of Rosalie in search of that individual. It's not immediately clear why the police took a video of Rosalie, which was then leaked online. However, Rosalie is calling on the police high command to commence an investigation into the matter. Rosalie, in an interview, spoke about the ordeal and said that she is traumatized about the whole entire occurrence. Since then, a number of individuals have reached out to Rosalie in order to support her during this difficult time. These individuals include fellow TikTok stars and also international recording artist Nicki Minaj.
But what is Jake's saying? How did it happen? Blamdam, you understand what I'm saying? Like, was they having an interaction with him outside and then he ran in the house and they ran after him? Or was he already in the house? I don't understand.
He was already inside the house.
Oh,
They was
wow.
outside. They came in. They ambushed. You know, all right. How me can police for you to explain? You're in your house and police just come in your yard. You're in your house and them just come in. I saw them come inside. He was inside. He was inside our yard. I was sleeping. Them ambush and come in. They didn't have no warrant. They didn't say what they I'll know. Me don't know what they Nicki Minaj. I'll know if me tell us me know what was the police purpose. It's a lie. I don't know what their purpose was for. But they might ask a question about, they might ask Jake's question about somebody and him say, yes, I'm a friend, me I'm acquainted. And them search, do them video and left. And I said, as I said before, I saw the police with, I'm looking at the police with the phone in his hand. But I never knew he was actually videoing me. I never knew. Because if I knew he was videoing me, I would have said, why you video me? Why you all videoing me? Why the video is for? I think he was on his phone doing personal stuff. I'm not crazy. I see what I see. So that means that the person that asked my baby father his name is the person that sent out the video. He's the owner of the phone.
Wow.
No, the JCF force in Jamaica knows, somebody knows that policeman. Somebody know exactly who that policeman is.
What's the person's name? What is the person's name?
It's the voice. It's a voice. It's the voice. Would ask him what he asked, like the person asked my baby father, what is his name? So if you can ask my baby father what is his name and you're the winner, it's your phone, it's him. It's a brown short police guy, you only can see his eyes. Because they were all masked up. All
Masked
them
up.
was masked up.
But wait, let me ask you something, Rose. Your baby father, your husband ran into the house?
Yes,
Like,
them run right now the house at
so they was
gunpoint.
chasing him?
Well, obviously, Nikki, that is what I'm getting from it. He ran into the house, and I was like, I was sleeping. I was like, see her here, and then look, I see gun with flashlight, and what are this stuff? Nikki, I panic, and you know, you just jump out of your sleep. Consciousness has not reached you as yet. So you know when you try, I don't know if I grab it or I box me, I try back the gun or something, but me know that take place. About yo, what I do? Yo, what I do?
But it's 3 people in particular. It's 4 people right now that I just got their names. So I wanna figure out some things, but this is not okay. But whoever did it, I'm gonna get to the bottom of that. And let me take that back, because I don't go to the bottom. I'm gonna get on top of it. How about that? I'm gonna get on top of it. Because traumatizing children that should only be enjoying themselves and shouldn't even know about any of this nonsense, and invading a woman's private space and putting it on the internet and laughing. This is a mother. She's a human being. She's a mother. So we're going to get on top of it. The world is very small. It's a small world. It's a small fucking world, yo. For real.
Well, this morning I wake up to about 6 or 7 policemen run into my house, and I'm a baby father at gunpoint. So well, they took me out of my sleep because I was actually sleeping. So now I wake up, I was like, what is this? Put him up at gun type, put him up at gunpoint at him, flashlight in his face. I was like, what is this all about? After that, them search, them in searching. When them finished search, I was sitting on the bed. So I'm asking that, do you guys have a warrant to come here to search? They say they don't need a warrant because they're doing a sting operation. Well, I want to say to Mr. Onis that Mr. Onis, the JDF4 system is here to serve and protect. And if I'm in my house and they come in my house and do that to me, what would have they done to other people in Jamaica? So many innocent lives has been lost, and we don't get no justice. No justice. No justice. We have no justice from the JFACF force. No justice. And to honest, me need justice. I was violated so in ways I can't explain. I was very violated. The people the person that do this to me should be punished. Me need to sue him. Yes, me want to sue him. I'm not supposed to have no work. So at this taxpayers' money I pay them for do. Them if have no work. Them make a vow to serve and to protect. And them a analyze innocent people put in a garage because them going and kick off doors. I analyze them people pitney and come talk about, oh, me see them with this and them there, but sorry. And them a gunman and them this and them and that. They make a vow to serve and to protect. So why can I see them and say, okay, let me go to the, let me say we can't go to the police. Let me feel afraid. Me can't go, I'm afraid of civilian. Me can't go to the police, I'm afraid of them too. I'm afraid of them. Of course, and they do this many times. They go around and do these things. It scares me so much. Why would you put me out naked and I'm not doing porn? I'm not a porn star. I have a character to maintain. I'm not a porn star to be naked out there, seen naked. If I was a porn star, no problem. But I'm not a porn star. I need justice. I'm not gonna rest until me get it. With all means and demands, me need justice. Justice for Jamaica. Justice. Yes. When I wake up, there are guns pointing at me. They didn't came to my house and say, okay, let me speak to who and so and so and so. We came to search. We have warrant to search. They want to search. No, they just barge in and start to search. So I'm asking them, do you have a warrant? They say they don't need none once they're doing a sting operation. So I start as one of those barge in a people place and do as on the like. That's why they start the video because I'm asking the question. Because I came out naked. Me don't have time to go search for no clothes. Somebody put on some in front of me, I go sit up on the bed out here so. So I want to know the question. Him not asking a question. My being politics not asking any question. I want to know the question. If I saw a barge in a people place, uninvited, without a warrant, me don't know what I look for, and behave this type of way. So if only the have one gun we only take from somebody else's yard, only can't come plant it in that so come find gun.
Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.